Are you on the hunt for strategies to amplify your income? Well, congratulations! You've landed yourself in the perfect place. Today, we're going to explore 20 powerful ways you can do just that. First on the list, having a business plan. It's essential to map out your route to success, identifying your goals, strategies, and potential roadblocks. Think of it as your business's GPS. Next, create a budget and set realistic goals. Knowing where your money is going and having a clear financial target can be a game changer for your income. Thirdly, never underestimate the power of innovation. Always be on the lookout for new ideas, strategies, and technologies to improve your business or career. Diversifying your revenue streams can be a great fourth step. Consider starting a side business or investing in different areas to spread your income sources. The fifth method is cutting unnecessary expenses. Remember, the money saved is just as good as money earned. Sixth, hire the right personnel. A motivated, skilled team can exponentially increase your profits. Tracking your progress is our seventh way. Regularly reviewing your financial progress can help you adjust your strategies and reach your goals faster. Eighth, consider partnering with other brands. Collaborations can open up new opportunities and markets, boosting your income. Selling your products online, if you have any, is a fantastic ninth way. Setting up an online store can help you reach a global audience. Having a savings account is our 10th method. This encourages a saving habit and earns you interest over time. 11th, avoid impulse buying. It's a simple yet effective way to save money and increase your overall wealth. Monetizing your social media accounts is the 12th way. With the right strategy, your online presence can become a significant revenue stream. 13th, consider investing in real estate. Despite market fluctuations, property can be a reliable long-term investment. 14th, consider investing in the stock market. It can be risky, but with thorough research and wise decisions, it can be highly profitable. The 15th way is to seek the services of a reliable financial expert. Their advice can help you make informed financial decisions. Becoming a freelance writer is our 16th method. If you have a knack for words, it can be a great way to earn extra income. 17th, offer freelance services from home. Virtual assistants, transcription, and many more services are in high demand. 18th, learn new skills. Coding, graphic design, and other skills can open up new opportunities for income. Renting out unused space is the 19th way. If you have extra room, why not make it work for you? Lastly, attend networking events. They can open up new opportunities and partnerships, boosting your income. In conclusion, there are numerous ways to increase your income. From having a clear business plan to networking, each method comes with its own set of benefits. Remember, the key to growing your income is being proactive, consistent, and open to new ideas. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, here's to your financial success.